I'm Jennifer Runyon at Intersolar North America in San Francisco, and my guest right now is David Goldman, who's General Manager of Solar Products with Solon Corporation. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having us here.
Glad you're here. So listen, it's been a really tough year for solar manufacturers. How has Solon managed to stay afloat?
Solon is tremendously excited about the solar industry right now. We have a great platform. As you may know, Microsol, mid-sized cell manufacturer, purchased most of the assets of Solon SE, including Solon Corporation, our parent entity, in March. And since then, we've had a great outlook. Our balance sheet is clean. Our financials are looking really good. So for us, we're really excited about the solar industry. We think we have really good position, having sort of gone through some difficulties and come out the other side, while a lot of other companies are real internally focused. We're really focused on the market and the business. We have two business units that we're building quite a bit right now. We have a solar products business, which I run. We're manufacturing a unitary rack and module system called SolQuick.
Okay.
It's made out of this product here, which is called Fibrix. It's manufactured by Andersen Windows, the door and window manufacturer. So we partnered with them, and we have a really lightweight, no grounding, fast to install solution. And then on the power plants business, which we're also expanding, we installed two large projects last year, 15 megawatts for PG&E, 18 megawatts for Arizona Public Service, and right now also building a couple really good projects, 10 megawatts for TEP, Tucson Electric Power, being financed by Duke Energy, and another 5 megawatts for TEP. So our business is doing great. We're very excited about the solar industry, and understand other folks are having difficulties, but for us, I think we structure our business the right way to be successful.
Nice, good. So last time I spoke with Solon, you were just getting started on a really cool storage project. So how is that going? Any data yet to report?
That project's going really well. We've started construction on that project. So this is we call it the Energy Smart project. It's a consortium with Tucson Electric Power, University of Arizona. We've added SMA to the mix. So we have a 1.6 megawatt test site that we've constructed for TEP a couple years ago. We're testing out 4 different technologies right now. First off, compressed air, then lithium ion, and then two additional technologies that we'll select in the future. Under construction, we're getting a lot of data. The focus of that is to really understand how to interconnect and make sure that solar works effectively with the utility grid. Yeah, right.
I mean, and that's been another big focus at this show. I've heard much more about storage as a means of levelizing the energy that is produced by solar. So you don't have any data that you can share with us yet?
I don't think quite yet, but when we do, we'll be sure to come back.
All right, sounds good. So what do you think about solar market in California? How is that going?
I think, my view is the residential and distributed generation space has a lot of growth. The utility scale stuff, I think, is, largely tapped out in terms of RPSs for the utilities. But, for our SolQuick product, and through our group, we're really focused on distributed generation, and that's just a huge market.
Okay. All right, good. So where do you see the whole solar market going, just globally, in the next few years?
Yeah, I think I think it's going to be more distributed generation, more residential, less central power. I think you're going to find that new markets are going to reach grid parity, and so in the U.S., new states are going to open up. In other countries, I think you'll see much more instances of grid parity.
Right. Okay. Well, great, David. Thank you so much for coming out and talking to me a little bit about Solon.
Okay, great. Thank you, Jennifer.